下一站金茂和延伸式马路。Next stop 金茂。Avvisa documento troppo.
Good morning to you. For me, it's good afternoon. I'm driving to work. Oh, you have a work? It's Sunday. Even Sunday, you have a work, Rich? It's Father's Day. Going to China's border, China. I'm not going to China, but this is the way going to China. Thank you, Rich. Your gift for me is your thumbs up. Boarding gate. Bus terminal. Guys, please give a thumbs up and like and share. My glasses. a thumbs up and please share. Boarding gate. Today it's Sunday, so many people in and out from Macau in China. The weather is so bad, really, since last night it's raining. You can see boarding gate. Thank you people in the chat. Guys, how's my signal? Yes, happy Father's Day, bitch. It's busy day. Hopefully the store still open. I'm not sure. Looks busy. Yes, actually people in, people out here in Macau, because mostly people work here in Macau, living in China, and mostly people in China going to Macau to buy a lot of things because more on cheaper. Some of them, not all, but some people in Macau going in China buy also like a vegetable, food, like a bag. It's more than cheaper. As you can see, there's a lot of people. That's cool. As you can see, all going to China, going back to China, mostly workers. The value of money from China higher than Macau. Most higher value. Because rush hour every day like this here, morning, afternoon, because all worker going home, going back to China, and also China going to Macau, mostly worker, because the working time in here in Macau, some casino night. So as you can see, so many people in and out. 4 million people in the house. Mega shout out. Don't forget to like and share. Are you still awake, Peps? Are you still not sleeping? Hey, 7 ways come from Northwich Beach. This is the mall. Mostly store here is online sailing. Hey, yeah, Northwich. Happy Father's Day, everyone. Happy Father's Day. Oh, still. Yes, open. I'm bringing my gadget because I'm see, as you can see, online sailing mostly. Hey, Pangyaw. Hey, ho. Yawa. This is two.
It's another.
Another.
You buy
Yeah,
two
yeah, yeah.
more.
Yeah, buy two.
Yeah, this one is another. Just keep.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Just wait, guys. I need to turn off my phone. And this one. I will pay the other one, right? Yeah. Buttering again, Maria. Now it's still buttering. It's still buttering. Can you see? Check, please.
You have the head. That one plug.
Black. Yeah.
Plug. Head. A plug. That
No.
one. No head.
The charger.
The
Adapter.
Plug. Yeah, plug. The top.
Yeah, but
No head also.
yeah, also.
Cable also no head.
Yeah, all loose. That's why.
Because they want
We need.
expensive.
How
But-
much?
But cable cheaper. Cable 30.
How much?
Cable 30.
Oh, cable.
Plug, but plug.
The black.
Plug very expensive.
Wow.
Plug
No,
almost-
cheaper.
Not
Like this?
cheaper.
Like this?
Yes.
Yeah, but
Not have cheaper.
I'm not sure it's that capable.
Let me see.
Okay.
You need
The
to-
adapter.
Yeah, adapter.
Yeah.
They want expensive.
Oh. I want to know first before. How about my iPad?
What happened this one?
Yeah.
Can open?
I have a charger, but
Hmm.
I don't know what's wrong. It just only, you see, you check. It's not functioning if I charge. Listen, you check this one, connect.
Okay.
Okay. Just only like that.
This one?
Yeah. See? Look at it. It's charging, right? It's not working. What is the problem right now?
Don't know. Flash first.
Huh?
Flash.
How much?
Flash. Just flash.
No need. But I charged almost all day. Okay. I just keep it to charge, but it's not like this, only like that. But it's not broken or okay. 720. How's the signal? Buffering again? Can you please?
Let me see.
Okay.
Plug. No. Yes.
It's okay, I'm vlogging. It's okay, I'm vlogging.
Nothing.
YouTube, this one.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I thought it's not allowed. Because there's some people it's not.
The MacBook and plug need 100. Yeah? Two.
Huh?
100.
100, the black and the charger.
Yes.
Okay. The cable also in the black is
The
100.
cable and plug. They are one set.
Okay.
You know, only five cable because you don't have the adapter.
Yeah. to download, you mean? You need to download this?
Try.
Okay.
Don't know the problem.
Okay. But the last time, because I using, after when I charging, after that it's not totally like that. So
Need to flash, yeah. The old data no have is okay.
it's okay as long as you make it working. Even the picture, even all the details.
Yes, all delete. But you remember the
iPhone. Yeah,
Apple
I have.
ID,
Yeah, I
remember?
have. Yeah, I can.
I thought remember.
Yeah, I have iPhone.
Because need to log in again.
Yeah,
Email and password.
I have. Oh, yeah.
Because if flash no have anymore.
Totally black.
Yeah, only clean.
Okay.
Only try. Because no copy means this one is a problem. But this time you, I think, even replace also only 300. Only fix.
How much the?
Even
even working, okay.
even replace also
Okay.
needs 300. No need to fix. If fix,
Big problem.
next time easy broken again.
Mm-hmm.
Because not expensive. You choose a long time to use. But try first. Try to flash first. So this one only buy the plug. But need some days. Now no have.
Not now.
No have.
So I will come back
Yeah.
by Tuesday or when? Tuesday or
I
when?
think maybe because the plug, you have the US like to use the plug have.
I have
I
in my
mean-
house.
I mean
yeah.
this one have
We don't have like that. Just only the 3-pin.
3 pin.
Oh yeah.
Because
Same
3 pin
in I.
difficult to buy. Because 3 pin difficult to buy.
So just only 2-pin.
2 pin, yeah. If you 2 pin only go to supermarket. But this one,
Yeah, I have like this.
you
Yeah.
can use.
Yeah, I have.
You see here is working.
Okay. So
But
running still.
if finish also logo. It
Okay.
will inside broken something.
But this is we have a logo, right?
Yeah.
But it's
No have logo.
Okay. So this one you don't have a charger now.
No.
So I will come back by
Yeah.
when? Monday, Tuesday.
I think this almost today Sunday.
Yeah.
Almost Wednesday or
Wednesday or Friday, Thursday.
Thursday.
Make sure.
If you want to make sure Thursday come.
Sunday again.
Thursday or Sunday
Thursday?
again. Or Sunday again.
Okay, it's okay. I will come Thursday. How much the total? 100.
100.
Okay. So I pay half 50. Okay.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay. Until what time this store? What time close?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay.
9 o'clock.
So I can come 7 o'clock.
Yes, yes, yes.
Because I don't know what time I finish my work. Now it's okay?
Finish.
Finish. So I can... Is charger or there's is? How are you will open?
Later.
Okay.
Pay 50, eh?
Yeah. I give it. No need my number?
Well, I hate it.
Okay. Okay. So wait until become okay.
Long time. It's not have like cable, okay now.
Okay. Yeah, it's
Not
almost.
have cable.
Yeah, the cable.
And if also, like see, okay now, you just go
Just
home
okay
to
now?
active. Then,
Okay.
but I thought you need Apple ID.
Yeah,
and
I have.
account.
Yeah. Okay, English. Select your country or region. Macau. Macau we can hear, right? Because my iCloud
Any area.
area country. %. See, it's almost full. Because I charged.
You charge the
Yeah.
almost like that.
Can you make it open if ever? I try. It's working or not.
Because this machine not support you to the OS to all. Only use installer to use. Not have YouTube to use. Even you open inside not have anything you can use.
Okay. So now this is okay. So I will make it my iCloud.
Yes. If you don't remember, come to find me 200.
I have.
This one is not fee because really I just
Check.
connect just
Connect.
flash for you. It's okay, but they want active need. I need to buy 200. The
Okay.
active the new ID empty.
Yeah, the iCloud.
they want
iCloud now.
new one,
ID.
new expensive.
Okay.
Always iCloud always expensive.
Yeah, that's why. I will go now.
Okay.
I'll back Thursday.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Now my iPad it's working now. So my MacBook, I'll be back on on Thursday. Yay! Kamusta ate? Hi Kim! How are you Kim? I'm good Kim. Where please. Hello Kim, coming from to the noise. Yay! My iPad is not broken. Just only need to, because it's something, but now it's working. Yeah, I buy this one from Dubai before, so now it's good. Yeah, hey, I will open it later. I thought it's broken. It's not. It's not broken. Just only need to for this install. Now it's okay. It's working. So it's, I didn't pay. You just check the guide, what is the problem, and then if I have an iCloud, so it's not, will not pay about the iCloud. If I don't have an iCloud, we need to pay, but I have an iCloud. So I will fix it later when I come back home. I thought it's broken. Really. I'm so worried about this. Later, I will in the back. I will fix it. Only the MacBook we need to check if it's broken or not. How are you, Kim? That is, as you can see, that is China, border China. Sorry, my phone is wiggle. Ate, flirting again. Morning, 7. Hello, Kim. No, I'm not. Mabuti, ate. How are you? I'm good. Sleeping for how many hours when I'm stop my live? So I sleep for a while and then start again. Going to China. I'm going home, not China. I'm going home. Yeah, I will show you guys. I buy also screen protector. I buy 2 to make sure screen protector. I buy 2. So now go. Yeah, so expensive. That my MacBook also, but I just buy 100, and then we will check if it's working or not. So this my iPad, it's not broken. The man said just only we need to remove that. We did that after we did that totally fix it, just only open up in the laptop and then said we need to clean it up. So I need to open my iCloud. So I can open it again. It's okay because I have an iCloud. So if ever However, I don't have an iCloud. I pay 200, but I have an iCloud, so it's okay. So I just prepare that my MacBook. So now my iPad is okay now, so I can use now. I thought that is broken, but it's not broken. How much bus? Only $3. If you have a bus card or pay, you can pay only $3. It's very near. But if you don't have a MPay or card, calling that the one I using tap on my phone because my MPay in my phone $3. But if you don't have $6, you need to pay $6. That's why that is very convenient here in Macau. It's not expensive, the transportation. Usually it's very cheaper. Kaya? No, panalo ah. Yeah, it's very cheaper on the bus, so you don't need to even actually we have a limit kilometer, so if you are going from this only side from Macau, it's just $3. Mostly if you have a bus card or MPay. The MPay is installing from my phone. The card, what do you call this, like this, the bus card, $3. $6 no MPay or you don't have a card. This is what we call that bus card. This one. So also your MPay is including from your information. Also the bus card including your information. So if you have like all of this, it must be cheaper. That is bus card. So much better you have all of this. You can save the money. $6 if you don't have. So you know how much I buy only the screen protector. So I buy two, just only $60. You can save the money. And also it's not easy to find that screen protector with my phone, so much better I have another one stock, or I buy two. Journey cost there. No, it's not. Usually the food is very cheaper, the bus is very cheaper. So that's why mostly people in China going to Macau buy something more than cheaper than China. In China, mostly the very cheaper is that like Smitch, the bag, and shoes and food, vegetable. If cheaper, much cheaper in China. Even much cheaper here, more than cheaper. So it's different. Very different. We have hostel. What? Let's see what, because my phone. What did you say? We have hostel card dito for transport. It's a lot of easy to get around. Oh, hostel. Really hostel. There are million people in the house, guys. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, please. Oh my God. This is my phone, iPhone. So I'm so lucky it's still working. But my iPad is not broken, actually, the man said. Just need to delete everything. Oh, I have so many pictures, and my picture, just only picture, because I have an iCloud. All my Mac, my phone, we need to put the iCloud, so my iPad, and in my MacBook. You know, it's very, it's not, if I keep it my, all my iPad, not repair, you know, so that's why I decide for almost how many years stuck, because I thought it's very big damage, but not. So now it's fixed. The man said, okay, back on Thursday, we will fix my MacBook. So we will see. And then he said, we will see if that's broken or not. We have. And so, you know, if ever I don't have an iCloud, so the man said I need to pay $200. But it's still not work, it's not broken, just only to remove everything, and then you just, I don't know what is the bad. You just connecting from the delete all the in my iPad. So now it's totally clean. So I can open it now. I can use it now. I'll show you guys later. Because the screen protector is wrong here, so it's better to save the screen protector. Actually, I wanted going around the border China, but it's so bad. Really, the weather here is so You know, my iPad for almost how many years? 2 years. For almost 2 years stuck. But I always charging, so we have a charge almost 70%, 74%. So that's why the man said, oh, you're lucky. Still working. Just only you need to install all the applications. I'm so happy my iPad now is working, it's not broken. Oh my God, I forgot. I need to go down here. Oh my God, I forgot. I need to go to the my aquarium. I need to go down now here. Forget. I forgot. I forgot something. I need to ride again. Ride the other side. Because I buy the last time koi fish, so always fighting my fish, so I need to buy a new one, another one. It's even small because always fighting. Oh, number 3. One, the bus. Hey AJ, hi everyone, AJ. Hi AJ, hi. Hey, how are you AJ? I forgot. I'm going back again, but it's okay. It's very near because my aquarium. Hello AJ, can you please? Excuse me. I don't know what's this. Some basket. I forgot to bring my mask. Hey 7 ways. AJ. I'll try to find a small aquarium. We'll see because I cannot. My one fish, koi fish, I put from another bottle or kind of. We will see later. So I need to buy a small. I cannot mix together because the koi fish is very strong, always fight the 2 fish, so almost ate my fish already, so I will mix together. How are you AJ? Are you still in Subic? Pampanga, Angeles? Are you still there? Angeles, Pampanga. Are you still there? Hello. Yeah, I used to have a house. Oh, just only rent the house in Angeles, Pampanga. You can see all the building here. It's so very old, not like inside. Inside pa mostly all the casino and building is new. But here in Macau city, usually you can see all old building. Actually, the bus here, you will have only and ride 3 times until you that exist hour, 1 hour. Even I have how many times I ride the bus, still I will exist 1 hour, so still not yet deduct the payment, another payment. So this ride, I just only using $3, just not 2. Even I tap 2 times, but just only cost $3. That is very cheaper, the transportation here in Macau. So we're going now here because the store here this side. Before we have near in my place, but now we don't have. Yung kailak, che. I forget to press. I'm lucky sa body stop, but I forget to press the body stop. I said, in kailak, che. I said I was going down. That is a Chinese word. Okay. Lokche. Five million people in the house. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like and share. Please, if you like this, my life today. Oh my God. You can see if you want to buy a socks, 3 pieces, 3 pair, $10. But if you will buy in China like that socks, 3, 4. We have a $3 each, and sometimes $5, $10 per piso. So mostly like that. It's very cheaper in China. This is a red market place. Oh my God, my daughter calling me. Wait, I need to answer. Where she is. Hello. Asa na kayo? Asa bahay na kayo? Kasi nakita raw kayo ni Ernie. Saan banda? Sa Sa Filipino Street? Andito sa Red. Napagawa ko na yung ko. Hindi naman pala sira yung iPad ko eh. Ayun lang, hindi wala akong binayad. Inano lang nila sa computer. Kapag wala na raw yung logo, yun. Pag wala na raw yung logo, sira na. Inano lang, inalis ko na lang. I-open ko lang yung iCloud ko. Ha? Namili kayo? Namili kayo? Ano niluto mo ulam? O bakit pinayagan ka na? Oh. Hindi pa pala eh. O sige na, pauwi na ako. Pupunta lang ako dito sa may ano.
Hindi ka pupunta dito?
Pupunta, kakain ako dyan.
Gigi lang ulam namin ha?
Okay lang, bakit?
May chicken ka eh.
Tampang kung bangus yan, hindi ako kakain. Alam mo naman, hindi ako makain ng bangus. Sige na, punta na ako dyan. Bye-bye. Sige na, bye-bye. It's Sunday, usually there's a lot OFW holiday today. This is the red market, as you can see. I don't know. Store. Still open. You said it's not strong, very strong.
What?
My fee, you avoid that one. He fighting my another piece.
Papatayin niya ah.
Oh,
Hindi
you see?
papatayin niya pagbago.
No.
May business.
One.
Mas pataayan sila.
Ang tapang. One.
Mas pataayan sila.
Ang tapang.
Ito sa akin oh.
Yan ang matapang. I need to a small one ba?
Hindi pag-ipahin mo.
Malaki yung ano ko, yung aquarium. Kaya lang, ano ko lang siya ng
Yung pilok.
No, I don't want the big one. You have a small?
Small like this one?
I know!
This one?
No!
Yung glass.
Glass. Yeah.
Glass. Perfect. Okay.
No, it's so small. I buy to you. Wait, I'll check. Where?
15. Yeah, okay lah. One this, okay, this.
50? Can you 40?
Okay lah.
Can you 40? I have buy some.
No, this one okay lah, one piece. Okay, good ah. This one one piece ah, okay, 15.
50?
Yeah, 15 ah.
45.
Yeah.
No free?
No.
How much?
This one all 30. See, plastic free. Plastic this one free.
Plastic is free.
This one $2 na. Wait.
Where's the blue one I bought?
No, this one bought
No,
plastic.
the filter. We don't have the blue one.
What blue?
Like this. I put in my filter.
Paper.
Blue.
This?
No.
Oh, no more.
You don't have?
This one finish.
Okay. Thank you, ba. Bye. I going home. I need to buy a small one. Yeah. I don't like this. It's because the head. I'm so scary.
Me have.
I have. Before I have. That's why I'm so scary because sometimes they bite it's very soft. I will check this. You can buy only one.
Yeah, this one you want.
No, one. Only one piece. Big.
You want. You my one. My this one all up. Mandi ka na.
So many.
Hindi okay na. Good ah.
But this is so strong.
Yeah, this is strong.
How about this one?
This one too no strong.
I think this one, but this one so many. Only this. This one. But
Man,
this one.
you
Can
mind
you?
this?
Yeah. Can you put another water?
Water?
Yeah.
Can you have water?
Okay. Can put now here. Okay. I buy a new one aquarium because I buy a other one always fighting, so I have buy a new one. As you can see, so many worker holiday today. Most of them holiday. This is the red market. It's okay. That is the one. Okay. I have a filter. Oxygen only. Going home now. Only that one I forgot. That's why. See? So very cheaper. All the fruits. If you can see that. My daughter asking me where I am. I need to eat. Dinner time. All are cheaper. Oh, so hot. That's why I don't want to walking. This is the tradition of Chinese. Some kind of soup. Herbal soup like this. See? Herbal soup. There's so many kinds. Online selling. Now it's saved my fish. We have a new small aquarium, but I don't know where I put, or I will put inside my room because the other one outside. So we'll see. I just bring my aquarium and then I'm going to my daughter, taking my dinner. Oh, the bus is here. Wait. The bus is here. Seven Ways, are you still there? 7 Ways. EJ, are you still there? Those people in the chat, you can type. So until now, even I have three rides, still not deduct the money. Unless you did not exist 1 hour. 3 rides, the minimum, and then 1 hour if you exist. We have another additional pay, but still not yet 1 hour, so that is only $3. You see how it's very cheaper, the transportation here in Macau. Still here. Okay, thank you. Will you not sleep? Will you not just take a nap or still watching your series?
Can you ring the bell?
San Malo. I need to go first to my place because I have a buy a new fish, so I will transfer my new fish. This is San Malo. 4 million people in the house. 25 is so much. I need to be careful. This is my new aquarium because it's a glass. I just buy $50. Guys, don't forget to like and share, please. 4 million people in the house. Love, love, love. I don't know if the flower shop is still open. I need to buy a new flower. This morning we have an event here. That's why we have a big tent. Like a magic presentation and what do you call this performance? Oh, close already. No more flower. Souvenir bag. See, Macau souvenir. There's a lot of souvenir. That event this morning, but now it's already removed. The event is finished. We have a magic, so that's why we have a big tent. Senado Square, San Malo. Pop Mart.
其實又可能好似我哋本土，雖然佢係。
Watson, Sasa, there's a lot. That's why so many people, tourists, coming, going here because there's a lot of store and see. Also cheaper.
John.
What time is it now? I'm not sure. Oops. Where's Mickey? I need to put first me aquarium before I'm going to my daughter. Where's my key? Ay, so hot. Ano? Init.
Ang bilis mo naman, nakabalik ka na ba na?
Oo, napagawa ko. Hindi pala sira yung ano.
Naayos na?
Oo, naayos. Pero yung MacBook sa ano pa, Thursday.
Balikan.
Oo. Transfer ko siya sa isa.
Mabili ka?
Oo. Yun,
Ayos yun.
mahal.
Maganda din.
Sana pala hindi ko na binenta yung isa ko kay Arya. 50? Oo. Ang liit lang, oh. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Icy. Happy Father. Hindi pala. You are a mother. I buy a new aquarium because I buy a new koi fish. It's so strong. So I'll buy a new one. I separate. No, it's good. We have a new one. koi fish eyes. I bought. Actually, this is how many days, but I cannot mix together because so strong this fish. So I need to separate. I cannot mix because this koi fish is so strong. Strong fish. We need to separate. I need to buy small oxygen. I have an oxygen filter because this one aquarium we have a 2 filter. I need to buy a small one from here to fix. We'll see. Enjoy the day. Hindi pa nakakayaw-yaw. With family today, silip, and reply muna po. Thank you sis, happy Father's Day. Maria, thank you, still here. Thank you. We have a new one. It's a koi fish. Init. Grabe. Thank you. Thank you. Alis mo na. Hindi. It's so hot going out. Going out again. Taking dinner to my daughter. This is the market, public market. United Square Public Market. Kem phải. Kem phải. $10. So cheap for fruits. I bought already honey.